Yo, so as you guys probably know, Pump.Fun has been around for a while, right? It's the place to launch meme coins on Solana. But honestly, it's getting super saturated now. Like, yeah, you can still hit a big win, but the chances are getting slimmer because everyone and their dog is launching coins there. Literally, just look at these, bro. There's so many coins here getting launched every single second. But here's the thing, when people are looking for the meme coins to buy, they're searching for something fresh. Something that's not flooded like Pump.Fun, okay? And that's where Raydium comes in. Today I'm going to show you how to launch a meme coin on Raydium without needing to code, using a secret tool that I found that makes the process super easy. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and launch your own meme coin on Solana and potentially turn $100 into 1,000 or more. First, let me explain why Raydium is a hidden gem right now. If you check Photon right here, you can go onto these dexes, a site that tracks Solana meme coins, and you'll see all the new pairs on Pump.Fun. So these are all the Pump.Fun coins here, and the market cap is really super low on all these, right? They're all pretty shit coins, and they're all gonna go to zero. I'm not gonna lie to you. All these coins are terrible, and there's so many of them getting created every single second, okay? Now, if you go to Raydium, you filter it by Raydium, you will see here that there's really way less meme coins, and almost every meme coin on Raydium hits crazy market caps because there's literally just less competition. Like, look at this, bro. There's so much less competition, but here's the catch, though. Launching a meme coin on Raydium normally requires coding knowledge, okay? So to launch on Raydium, you would probably need to know how to develop and software and stuff like that, right? But with this tool, you literally do not need that, okay? You need to be a dev, that's it. But that's where this new tool comes in. It's super easy, all right? So I found this new site. It's called coinfast..fun. And it literally lets you launch a Raydium meme coin with zero coding at all. All you have to do is connect your wallet. I'm using Phantom, and you're ready to go. So right here, we're gonna connect to your wallet Phantom. It might pop up with some stuff here to say confirm. It's all good. This does work. So I already connected mine, but here's how you do it. So you go to coinfast.fun, you connect wallet, and then now we're literally just ready to launch your coin. And now let's launch your meme coin and show you how easy this is. I already designed a quick logo for our meme coin. It's called Puff, okay? And dogs and cats like always go viral on meme coins. So this is what I'm gonna do. I always notice that cute animals always look good. If you guys don't know what to make, literally just ask ChatGPT. I asked it to make me a meme coin of a cute animal, and this is what it came up with. So now we are going to go over here onto MemeFast and create the coin. This is super easy, okay? So we're gonna put here Puff. Puff is the symbol here. We see this Puff, okay. Alright, put these together. Boom. Put this here. And then beautiful. There we go. Now, we wanna put our description here as let's hit here. Oh wait, here we go. The cutest dog on the blockchain. That is super simple. We literally just created the coin, the real description. Next, and it was just that easy, okay? Now, right here, what you want to do is, you don't need these right here, the modified creator information. You can turn this off. This is just 0.1, so it doesn't really matter. But now, what you guys want to have is these right here, okay? You want all these selected, because if you do not have these, the liquidity on these coins will not show up as locked, and people will not buy in. If this right here, if the little lock button is not on, they can literally drain people's wallets and just take and just sell the coin immediately, okay? And people will not buy your coin because it is not trusted. And make sure you have this on your coin, so more people buy it and it's trusted. Now, as I was saying, you want to press the create token right here after everything, and make sure all these are selected again. Now we're here. I'm going to enter my wallet. Want to press proceed anyway. Network fee confirm unsafe. I know it says unsafe, but I promise you this is safe. Always works. And now, as you see here, you want to press copy here. You want to press create liquidity pool, and let's create this pool here. So right here, you want to put 90%, and you want to put 0.3, okay? 0.3 as the fees, okay? Now, after you have this, copy this exactly, because this is what you do need. So make sure amount token A is 90%, and then this is 0.3, okay? You need this. So now you want to press create pool. You want to wait here. Press confirm, and the pool was successfully created. Now you're going to wait for it to refresh, and there we go. We're gonna view this on Photon, and look, we're already up $7.48 already. We just started this. Look at this, bro. It's already pumping like crazy. Okay, so here we go, another one. 8 people now. Look, this is really beautiful, okay? So, so many people are buying in, and we're just making all this money right now. We're already up like $10, bro. This is too easy. Look, we have all this money right here. More than $10, bro. So we're just gonna wait a bit and then wait for this coin to launch. I mean, keep going up. Look, another person's bought in. 10 holders already. We just started this 30 seconds ago. Look, $45, $6. Oh my God, worry up like 60, 50 bucks, bro. Someone bought in for $45. Look at that, bro. Okay, perfect here. I honestly think we're just gonna pull out soon because $45, like we just made that in 30 seconds, bro. But obviously if you wanna, make more, literally just keep holding forever, bro. But not forever, but like for a while. So we still got that $46 order in here. Wow, bro. It went down. Someone sold, but it's okay because no back out. And then, yeah, we can, by the way, whenever you do this, you can literally remove the liquidity whenever you want with this. As you can see, if you refresh here, we're still up a lot of money. So yeah, we're still up 40 bucks right now. As soon as we start, bro. Even more than that, like 46 plus 6, 50, like $55 up. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna wait a bit and then see what this goes to. And then we'll sell shortly after. We'll rug pull these people and make our money back. Plus wait, plus 50 bucks, okay? I mean 60. So yeah, this is super OP. Make sure you guys get in on this because not a lot of people are on it yet and they don't know how to do this, okay? This meme fast tool is literally insane for crypto meme coins. This is how you always win. You become the developer and not the person trading in the meme coin because you probably lose your money and get rug pulled just like this. So let's just wait a bit and then we'll pull this out and make our money back. All right, so here we go. It's been another 5 minutes and let's go pull this out. $46. Let's get this stuff. Remove liquidity 100%. Press remove liquidity. And here we go. Confirm. Boom, liquidity removed. There we go. We just made more money back. Oh my God, and someone just bought in too. Beautiful. We're about to see this dump, I'm pretty sure here. We just have to wait for it. Boom, no more liquidity. And there we go. We just made our 40 bucks back, bro. That was so easy.